Hi guys, welcome to today's session, and today we are going to discuss about the Hornbill in India and the Pakke Tiger Reserve. And in this session, we'll first discuss a brief about the Hornbill, its population in India, and then we'll discuss the significance of hornbills. Then we'll discuss about the conservation status of hornbills, and then we'll discuss about what are the uh, threats faced by hornbill population in India, and finally we'll discuss about Pakke Tiger Reserve, which is a famous spot for hornbills in India. So this is our plan this session. Let's now start. India is home to nine species of hornbill. The northeast region has the highest diversity of hornbill species within India, and five hornbill species are found here, with the northeast being the exclusive habitat for three of them. And they are the wreath hornbill, the brown hornbill, and the rufous-necked hornbill. And the other two species, the great hornbill and the oriental pied hornbill, also occur in other parts of India. And the great hornbill is the state bird of Arunachal Pradesh and Kerala. It is vulnerable under the IUCN Red List. And the Hornbill Festival celebrated in Nagaland is named after the bird hornbill, which is the most revered and admired bird for Nagas. And the hornbills are family of birds found in tropical and subtropical Africa and Asia. And the Papum Reserve Forest is a nesting habitat of three species of hornbill. We have discussed the great hornbill, the wreath hornbill, and the oriental pied hornbill. And the 862 square kilometer Pakke Tiger Reserve houses a fourth species called the rufous necked hornbill, and so they are found here in the Pakke Tiger Reserve. So that is the basic statistics about the hornbill population in India. Now we'll discuss what are the significance of this hornbill. So friends, as you can see here, they are cultural symbols of some ethnic communities in the northeast, specifically the Naishi of Arunachal Pradesh. It is a community name, and they are referred to as forest engineers or farmers of forest, for playing a key role in dispersing seeds of tropical trees and indicate the prosperity and balance of the forest they build a nest in. And the Hornbill Festival celebrated in Nagaland, we have discussed that it is named after the hornbill, and it is the most revered and admired bird for the Naga population. So that is the significance of hornbill in India. Now we'll discuss about the conservation status of hornbill. So guys, currently 26 out of 62 species, that is 40% of hornbills, are globally threatened or near threatened with extinction, with all other species listed as least concern according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) list of threatened species. And the great hornbill is evaluated as vulnerable. It is protected at the highest level under Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. So that is the conservation status. Now we'll discuss what are the threats for the hornbills in our country. Guys, the hornbills are hunted for their casque, the upper beak, and feathers for adorning headgear. They are also poached for their meat and medicinal value of their body parts. And the conservation program promoting the use of fiberglass beaks for headgear instead of real hornbill casques has helped reduce some threat to it. And the problem of illegal logging is that is cutting of tall trees where hornbill and birds nest and feed has led to destruction of its natural habitat. And many studies underscore the need for hornbill habitat conservation efforts in India, and its conservation must proceed along with the twin parts of weaning away the tribal hunters through the provisions of substitutes and nursing forest fragments back to health using science. So these are the threats, and now we'll discuss about the Pakke Tiger Reserve. It is also known as Pakui Tiger Reserve. It is a tiger reserve in the East Kameng district of Arunachal Pradesh, and it is 862 kilometer square reserve is protected by the Department of Environment and Forest of Arunachal Pradesh. And this tiger reserve has won Biodiversity Award 2016 in the category of conservation of threatened species for its hornbill nest adoption program, and it falls within Eastern Himalaya biodiversity hotspots. And it is home to over 2000 species of plants, 300 species of birds, 40 species of mammals, 30 species of amphibians, and 36 species of reptiles. And many species of the flora and fauna are globally threatened, and this tiger reserve is one of the last remaining strongholds left for those species, and it is known for its amazing sightings of 4 resident hornbill species. So this is about the Pakke Tiger Reserve, and it's a very important topic with regard to your prelims preparation, guys. So do not miss any points in our lecture today, and we'll meet tomorrow with another topic. Thank you for watching this lesson.